Welcome guys, today I am with REALME Narzo 50A Prime and I want to show you how Camera Pro Mode looks in this smartphone. So let's open the camera application. Let's go for the more modes. Let's select Pro Mode, and as you can see right here we can find few parameters, and I'm going to show you how we can adjust them manually and automatically. This one, that's the exposure compensation, you cannot only adjust manually, and the same when you take a look on the contrast and the saturation. Other like white balance, ISO, focus and shutter speed, you can adjust both, so manually and automatically. Let's start. Okay, so that's all for the REALME Narzo 50A Prime. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.